In this video, at the beginning, Kimmy is they're pulling out this very thin tree to get the cassava roots from it. So she uses the roots in cooking. So later on in the video, at the 4:25 mark, Kimmy is cooking this root in a kind of a snack. It's pretty good. So the video's in the kitchen at 4:25. At 6:33, then there's a video of me eating some of it. So anyway, stick around from the front and to the end and see Kimmy cook it and both of us eat it. You pulled the root. You should be a dentist. All right, is it heavy?
Ủa Sam, lấy cái dao ra Sam chặt dừa cho má thôi. Cái dao rồi. Lấy dao. Để với anh chạy lẹ với anh ơi.
Wow. Another adventure.
Ủa ơi, khoảng đi về trong chậu anh nhận gian luôn được không?
Dạ, đi đây với anh chạy đâu
mà. Ở nhà với anh chứ gì chị?
Không về nhà với má.
Không muốn về nhà với má.
Look out, she's chopping. Thank God I'm a country girl. Well, Kimmy's the country girl. Some kind of bug is after me.
Nấu cái củ ăn thôi à.
Đây là đu mắt tí
nữa. Hỏng rồi qua nhà tao rồi. Thấy cái bông rồi mà nhìn giống rồi hái nữa.
Bông dandelion á, má biết dandelion không?
Cái rớt hả?
Do you eat all that?
Làm mà tí được, xong biết cách nấu lên. Mày nhúng khoảng mấy giây thôi, xong mày nấu lên. Xong mày trộn với
Dạ anh là cô lôi cái này lại chưa nha.
Cái trứng gì qua rồi.
Uh-oh. It's coming right at me. Uh-oh. Wow, look at that.
Hai đứa mày hay điện thoại không Sam?
Có.
Mượn chơi
không, nó ngấu mày gần mày muốn mày chơi game mày một con chó.
Rồi biết bơi không?
Got it.
Mày biết bơi không? Biết.
Now what?
Biết bơi không? Đi tập đi.
Well, I keep backing up. I'm going to be in the water soon.
Cái mình nó nổi lên. Con bơi được hết con?
I guess that was what she was after right there. Oh. Look at that, man. She's sacking it. Well, we're going to eat high off the roots here, right? High off the roots. You know, I told the story, she loves to eat crickets, or when she was young. She told me once, white crickets, they're so good. I think she ate them all. I'm not sure if they cooked them or not. Where's Yen at? Time to carry this stuff. I think the mosquitoes are starting to bite me.
Con mì chiên ngon mà.
Thấy ngon gì anh?
Khỏi.
Khỏi chiên nha.
Okay. Are you done? Are you done? Hello?
Ê, cái bự kìa Sam.
Oh, well.
Got a big fish.
Okay, we've begun. All right. In the first part of the video here, Kimmy, she has the tree pulled out of the ground and then she cuts the root off of it. And now she is cooking and showing what she makes from the roots. So I get closer here. So Kimmy, explain what you put in there.
put seasoning, green onion, and hot pepper to
Wow.
make it have some flavor.
I thought it was rice. It looks like
No,
rice
it's
to
not
me.
nice.
Looks like rice. Look at that. She wears a glove like a baseball player. Well, their glove is a little different. Okay, so, and she fries it, right?
Yeah, here it is.
And here's the result. Wow. Yummy. Wait a minute. She's eating it.
It's crispy.
It's crispy. It looks good. What's it remind you of? What's it taste like? Like
Chips.
Like a potato? Like a root? Mmm. Wow.
It's better if you dip it with ketchup or hot sauce or mayonnaise.
Ketchup or
Mayonnaise.
mustard, honey mustard. Oh, or horseradish sauce. I can't get horseradish sauce here in Vietnam, so I would like that. I like the creamy kind of horseradish sauce.
Well, you can buy it on internet, but it's expensive.
Oh, okay. All right, so there you go. That's what happens to the roots. All right. Goodbye. I eat one.
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow, look at this one. It's actually pretty good.
Is it spicy?
It's not too spicy. It's really good. Much better than I thought it would be. Not that it is good. I like them. Wow.